Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate to you how to use the environment variable or variable in appsettings.json file. Suppose we have the app settings and we have the app name in our local, but might be the value is different from your Azure. So how you can use your when you run your application into the local, the value is the different, and when you deploy on the Azure, your value will be the different without making the code change or using if else logic and all other things. So because if you are doing something here and you miss to change the value, so and you deploy or publish your application into the Azure, might be there is a chance the application will be not running. So how you achieve without making the changes into the application? So let's first I'm going to deploy this application to the web app. So publish. Now Azure, click on the next. Azure window app services. Then we can use my I already created my web app environment. Then click on the finish. So let click on the publish. In meantime, I'm running this application and show you how it. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's already publishing application. So first, I'm showing you in the local, and then I'm showing you to the Azure also. So this application is publishing. Now the application is published. Just copy this URL and you can paste here. So this means application my web app local and deploy. But I'm running on Azure and it's showing onto the local. Similarly, if you're running onto the local, it shows the same value. It shows the my web. But I want to change this. When this is on Azure, it shows something like instead of local, it shows the Azure. So what should I do? Copy this variable name, then go to the deployment environment variable, then click on the add, then change the name, and I'm just click on Azure. You can check deploy on Azure, then click on the apply button, then apply, submit the changes, wait for some time. Now you can refresh this page. Might be sometime it required sometime, so you have to go to here and restart the application. Now just refresh it, just wait for some time. You can refresh and then try again. Now I am again trying to publish this application. Publish. Let's see. Might be take some time. Publish started. Now it's working. Just copy this. Then it again it show the local. Deploy on. Let me check the variable. Its name. Sorry, D is a capital. Let's again go to the environment variable. Now delete this, apply, confirm. You can click on add, deploy on Azure, and then apply. I changes, confirm. So you can refresh it. Now, as you can see, the value will be changed. Deploy on Azure because we previously used the D is a small. It's a case sensitive. So maybe make sure when you copy the name, it must be the similar case sensitive. Similar case. Now, what about this app setting and the app name? So now copy this name, then go to add, then this, but it is the nested in app setting, then app method. This instead of colon, we can use double underscore and the app name, then copy this my app to Azure. Then you can say Azure, show my web app Azure, apply changes, confirm, just wait for the some time and you can refresh. So as you can see my web app Azure and here also. Now if you publish this application, you can change, let's say I say v1 and then also v1. These changes will not affect on your Azure changes. Let's try it. Now you can publish it. If you publish, so when you publish your, it will show my web app Azure and deploy on Azure. It not use this value. So it override your local value with your Azure value. Whenever you change this value, it will automatically change. Let's say we say v1, then apply our changes, confirm, show Azure v1. So you can refresh it, then it will be changed. Now this is the for our local variable. Now what if I have the connection string and this is my local connection string? Now we can run it. When I'm running this local connection string, it show me the connection is successful. Test db. Okay, what is the name of my route? Test db. Test db. So in the local, it will say successful connection, but when I use the same route for the this, it will give some exception because the it is my local connection string and obviously it not found onto the Azure. So this is my local connection string, is my local, and obviously it is not found onto the Azure. So might be it gave some exception or error. So it will give you the exception error. So how to resolve this issue? Like say when I'm running on my local, it use my local connection string, and when I deploy onto the uh, Azure, it will use the Azure SQL connection string. Now we have created the database, MySQL database. Now I'm going to see the connection string. This is the connection string of Azure database. So just copy the connection string and I'm checking it's working or not. So just comment for the local, then just paste it, and then copy. So this is my default connection string for Azure. Now I have to change the password. Now running look for local test. So it connection string working successfully. But the problem is that if I deploy using this connection string and I have to work on the local, I want to comment or uncomment this connection string. For the local development, I have to use this one. For the server, I have to use this one. To avoid this comment uncomment, what should I do? We can use our local connection string. Okay, just copy this name, go to my app services, my environment variable, then go to environment variable, then connection string, click on the add connection string, just give the name default connection string and copy paste this entire with just copy and paste here. Then we can select SQL Azure, then apply changes, confirm. Just go here and just refresh. So as you can see, the database connection is successfully. Now if you publish, you can remove. So when you work on the local, this connection string will work. When it's deploy on the Azure will override this default connection string with this connection. So there is no conflict or no issue. Maybe you can forget the commented or uncommented. So in this way, you can use the Azure SQL connection string and your local connection string.